Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Today I want to show you how to make a transparent glass in Adobe Photoshop. At first go to Select, and choose Color Range. Click Eyedropper tool. Select the color. Then click the Add icon, click and drop all the colors you want to change. Press OK. OK, it looks good. Zoom in and select all the remaining points. Select Lasso tool and subtract the hair from your selection. If you are satisfied, choose Select and Mask. Zoom in on the desired points. Click and drag to refine the edges. If this video is useful for you, please follow and subscribe me on social media for more educational and effective videos. Also hit the bell, while I upload any video, you will aware it the first time by notification. OK, it is done. Click OK. Now press Ctrl J to copy a new layer. And name it Dress. Go to File, click Open. And choose your pattern design image. Select the pattern area. Go to Edit, and Copy. Come back to our image. And paste the pattern. Scale to adjust the size. And right-click on the layer, choose Create Clipping Mask. I think it's okay. Change the mode to Multiply. Right-click and choose Blending option. Hold Alt to split the slider to adjust. Click OK. I think it's okay for now. Choose the dress layer, click Adjustment icon, and add Hue Saturation. Click this icon. Come back to Layer. Right-click. And create Clipping Mask. Also right-click on this, and create Clipping Mask. OK, it looks good. Now double-click on this, and change to different colors by dragging the slider. Choose blue color. And test the colors. It looks good. Hope you liked it. Please follow and subscribe for more educational and effective videos. Thanks for watching.